Another new feature of the BeoLiving Intelligence, available for our installers and support providers even if their clients have their BLEs in essential mode, is the Remote Support Specialist feature. This allows Bang & Olufsen support providers basic information and feedback on their client's installation, and also the possibility of executing basic commands on their client's equipment. This will allow the installer to assess an issue the client has reported and resolve it if it's a simple problem without going to the installation location. So let's see how this is configured and also what possibilities we will have. On the BeoLiving app, the client should go to Settings, select their BeoLiving Intelligence, Device Settings, and then Remote Support. Enter the Remote Support Specialist's email, and press Invite. An email will be sent to the support specialist, and by entering the Khimo website, he will now be able to log in and access the client's installation. So here we can see the installation. We'll have the project information with the BLE's serial number, the license information, the connection, if the BeoLiving Intelligence is online or not, the users that may be in the BeoLiving Intelligence configured. These can be the smartphone devices that are configured for the BLE, or also users that the installer may have set up, and the Bang & Olufsen product dashboard. This will show all the Bang & Olufsen products that have once been in the installation, even if they are not online anymore. We can see which ones are online, which ones are plain, and what the volume is, and also what the source is that is playing on the equipment. We can also see the different rooms and zones that the client has in his installation. And by selecting actions, we will be able to change the product's volume, reboot the product, or even send it to standby. We can also select a different source. So, for example, if the client has reported an issue that he's not hearing anything coming out of the product, maybe it's that the volume is turned to 0, or that the product is not playing, and we will be able to verify this through the Khimo website remotely, without having to go to the location where the products are. So this is the Remote Support Specialist feature of the BeoLiving Intelligence, and we believe this is a great feature for installers and support providers who won't have to lose time going to the client's installation in case of a simple issue. We hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much.